Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to learn what are connectors and how can we use them. So let's get started. In English, there is a group of words that are named coordinating conjunctions. These words are the following: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. So as we can see in this image, all these words together form a new acronym that is well known as fanboys. So in this way, we can learn them easily. But well, let's start. Usage. We can use the coordinating conjunctions in order to connect, as we can say here, two parts of sentences which are similar. For example, for and. And is used to add information. So as we can see here in this idea, it says, yesterday I did homework and I watched a movie. So I am saying that I did two different activities yesterday. So I am adding information. In other example, we find the coordinating conjunction or. Or is used normally to show options. For example, in this case, do you want chocolate, strawberry, or vanilla? So here we have the options. You can choose whatever you want. Or in the following idea, I prefer a cup of tea or a glass of water. So here I am joining two ideas, but at the same time I am showing options. Let's see the next word. The next conjunction is but. But is usually used to show contrast. For example, here we have she'd like to go, but she can't. So I am contrasting two ideas. I'm saying that a person wants to go to a place. However, that person cannot go because maybe there are other reasons that are not allowing that person to go. In the other example, we have I did homework, but it is not correct. So even if I did my homework and I tried hard, it was not perfect, so I commit mistakes. Into this, in these sentences, I am showing the contrast. Because. Because is another coordinating conjunction that is well known because it is used to give reasons. In this case, we have the idea, I like to see that Mexican band because Mexican music is pretty cool. So I am explaining why I really want to see a Mexican band and to listen to its music because I consider it's good. Or for example, this one. I love taquitos because they are delicious. So I really adore taquitos, and the reason is that they are too delicious, and that's true. Next, so. So it's another coordinating conjunction, and it is used to show result. For example, it was raining, so we didn't go out. In here we can say that there is a cause and an effect. So the cause is it was raining. It was a rainy day. So the effect was that we didn't go out even if we were planning to. The other example says, I don't have money, so I can go shopping. The situation is that no money, so I don't have any options to go and buy something. So this is the end of our presentation.